In today's video, we will design and export HTML template from Figma by Miro. We're going to use Marco Email Generator plugin. You can find the link will be in the description. Also, you can find plugin in the Figma community. So let's get started. I have a screenshot. I have an assets. First, let's run the plugin. To run the plugin, / Marco plugin, and then create a new project. Let's update the width of the project. First block, a container for the logo. Run the plugin, select container, and on the asset section, you can find the builder section where you can find the layout blocks. It's a simple basic blocks which you can use for your template. Let's start with one column block. And next, put 2 column blocks below for text and image. So Command C logo, then Command V into the slot container frame. Let's update a background color of the template. So I select a template, then go to the fill section and get the color. Now let's put the text. There are 2 text items. Let's put it into the left container. Make sure you have selected slot container and put it inside. Let's update outer layout settings to adjust spacing between, and let's add a padding for the whole template. To do so, let's select our template, then go to the outer layout settings and add some horizontal and vertical spacing padding. Also have an image, Command C, select text slot container, Command V, and then let's align these 2 containers horizontally. To do so, select a parent container of these 2 blocks, then go to the outer layer settings in the right sidebar and align it vertically on center. And the last step, let's add a button. You can find the button in the build section. On the blocks section, here is the button. Simply drag and drop it to our block. And then one column, container with text block, and let's create 3 items, 3 blocks with a white background. Let's create a 1 column. Let's put a 2 column container and text and image. Text on the left and image on the right. See, select slot container, pass text, and make sure you have set fill container for the text, and do the same for the image. Fill container. And let's update it horizontally. And update padding for this frame. To do so, select a block, 2 containers, and set border radius and horizontal and vertical spacing. If you select template, on the top you can see the switch called slot borders. With this option, you can turn off or turn on the borders. Let's recreate this block with black background. To do so, let's put another 1 column container, update spacing and padding as in our previous versions, set, and put text inside. Put button. The social buttons, put button, then update color, and text color, and button alignment. And after that, you can update, if you select your template, the right-hand bar, you can update vertical spacing between elements in the email. And as a next step, let's add a footer. You can build footer from scratch, or you can use footer from ready-made sections here. Put in footer here and remove the background, update colors, this is template by Miro. As a next step, let's see how a template will work on different email clients. To do so, let's export our template, click on the preview button, then see how it works on mobile version. Let's update let's update fill container for our main text object. I updated in our template, then click here, and now it works. Also, we can update a vertical spacing between the elements. To export the template, go to export section, click on the export button, then copy email code. This is how our template will work on different email clients. For example, you can see that Gmail, everything works fine. So Outlook, and even Outlook for dark mode. As you can see, colors inverted, but all of them visible. Make sure you use images with white background. This is how it works. I hope it will help you to build cool emails. Thank you for watching.